Yo, what's up, fam? How's everybody doing today? Welcome. I'm on the Grom, and it is cold as all hell outside. I got like 3 hoodies on. It's like 66 degrees. Makes it feel like winter time. So we're going to Spencer's, meet up with him, and do some wheelies. I haven't actually got on a good ride to do some solid wheelies. We've been doing a lot of garage work lately, so excited to get out here, cold or not. This will just prepare me for what's coming, which is really, really cold. I was hanging out with Murph earlier today. If any of you remember Murph, it's been like a year since he's been in videos. His Grom's been down for the count. We got it fixed up. I got him hooked up with my old handbrake. We bled the brakes, got it working. So hopefully he'll be wheeling with us soon. I don't know, that dad life gets you busy. I'm understanding it very quickly. What's up, man? Nice beard. Anyway, I'll do some magic to fasten this up here. Speed this up? I don't know, I can't talk. Ready? I found Spencer. Doing a deck wheelie. And it is cold. It's getting colder by the minute. He didn't wave at all. Wow. That guy was not having our bikes. Stop singing Frozen, Spencer. Ooh, whoa. I was back there. Oh. Hello?
Hey, what's the address?
I don't know Sean's address.
You haven't even went to Sean's house yet?
We're on the way right now. I had to stop because you were calling me.
Oh.
Poor Andy, he's just like ah, hey buddy. Going too slow for a second. Oh, not a cop. Fake cop. Hi guys, how's it going? That was awkward. He just gave me a nod and the kid didn't wave at all. Oh, there's a real cop. We're just gonna keep cruising. I think we're good. Alright, we ran by Sean's. He's not home. He's not gonna be home for a little bit, but I can't ride that late, and we're trying to meet Andy. He's coming down 72nd towards us, so we're gonna try and find him here. What? That was weird. Dang, got the low rider. No air pressure in the tires, nothing. Alright, keep your eyes peeled for a Yamaha Supermoto. Nope, one bike in a car with a headlight out. Is that Andy? It is Andy, what up? Hey buddy. That was perfect timing. He's doing a fat wheelie already. Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, he's holding them pretty well. Look at that. Oh, he threw a little one-handy. What up? I don't know why they call it Crossroads Mall still, because it's not even a mall. There are no stores. There's like a Sears, which is closing, or closed. A Target, that's it. This place is, oh, ran down. Yeah, potholes everywhere. Oh. Little one-hander there, it's so scary. High chairs? I can do high chairs. There we go. Dude. Yes. That was the best coaster. That was sweet. Start working on like throwing hands off or something. That was, you're mastered that, dude. Dude, look at you go, dude. Wow. Oh, security, let's go. We'll leave. Have a good day. No problem. Gotta give him a wheelie on the way out though. Let him know what he's missing. Dang, they repaved the skate park. It's all legit now. It's like a stunt lot. I'm just gonna sit right here for a second. This thing, dude, so many memories here. This is where it all started, Andy. One of our first popular videos. Took the Groms here. See, you could drop in right here and just drop right off this and land over there. Do your thing, Spencer. We got it. That's only what, 15 feet? Yeah, there you go. That was sick, dude. Good job. Hit the bowl and celebrate. Just sent it in, dude. I can't go any faster. I gotta go down. Ah! Ah! Hell yeah. That was sweet. Glad I got that out of my system. Alright, let's get out of here. Later, dudes. Well, at least we left and they're like, well, at least they did something cool. Like, they're not total noobs. Yeah. When you did that, they were probably like, there's no way this kid's gonna kill himself, but alright. And then you just rap like it's nothing. Oh yeah, dude, when I dropped into that bowl, I railed my shin. So I hit the side of the concrete and I was like, ah. Third gear, Wheelies. Hey buddy, nice knee knock here, dude. That's so fun. Feels like you're going so fast when you're doing it on the Grom. Someone's flashing their lights at us? Well, let's stop and see what she wants. How do you know it's a lady? Sexist? What? Are you sure she wasn't hitting bumps? Oh, hey buddy. Hey, that's a good one. No brakes? Look at you. That way, when you let off the throttle, you're having some brake action already. We're trying to teach Andy how to do wheelies, lady. Come on. Oh, I see a nice uphill. It's calling your name. He's already doing one. Yeah. There you go. This is the same hill you did that other dank one on. Yeah, you are. You're sliding backwards. I think I'm going to split off, boys. Alright, bye friends. See ya. Good riding. Sorry I got split off so soon. Bad life. And they wheelie away. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to split off, go home. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Look out for another one real soon here. And until next time, peace. Is she awake? Hey, stop. Don't move for a second. Do you feel like we need to call someone?
No. Just stay down, okay?
We're okay, sir.
Oh, man. She's all good. She just got a little road rash. She's fine.
When I walk in the bank, they call me by my last name.